Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Date with Nature. So today we are at Shravanapelagola, which is on the Bangalore highway. It's around 150 kilometers from Bangalore. So these are the places to visit in Shravanapelagola. So the main attraction of Shravanapelagola is the Bahubali statue. This is located in Hassan district. So you see that there are around 650 steps to climb to reach the Bahubali statue. So you have a side support. You make sure that you start early to climb when it in summer. You see that this place is covered with a lot of lakes and greenery, so it is having mostly the coconut trees around. And you can see there's a white pond, I mean the Kalyani, in between the town. So in the name of Shravan Belagula means white pond. And you see the first entrance door after climbing 50% of the steps here. So you can see Chandragiri opposite to Vindhyagiri and a beautiful pond in between. So let's go inside. So the Gomateshwara statue is built in 978-993 era. So it has two hills, Shravanbelagod, Chandragiri and Vindhyagiri. So this place is one of the most important tirthas in Jainism. So this place reached its peak in architectural and sculpture activity under the patronage of Western Ganga dynasty of Talakkad. So you see a lot of sculptures around. You can see all built in very old age. So this is one of the biggest basti on the Vindhyagiri hill called as Odegal Basti. So you have further steps here, and you might be knowing there is a Maha Mastabhishek which happens every 12 years for Gomateshwara statue. So the last one happened in 2018. The next one will be in 2030. So you have two more doors, second and third doors. Then further steps. Then we are at the place where we have the Bahubali statue. So these are the walls around the statue built that time, and you see some mantapa and all here around the statue. So you can see a lot of inscriptions around the Bahubali temple on the hill. You can see a lot of other sculptures around, and you can see Akhanda Bagilu also. So let's go around the temple, around the statue, Gomateshwara statue. So you can see one more door here, which is accessible if you climb the hill from backside of this statue. You can see the Gomateshwara statue here, the Bahubali statue. So Shravanabelagola protects monolith Bhagwan Bahubali and is home to over 2300 years of Jain heritage. So more than 800 inscriptions found here dating to various times from 680 to 1830 AD. So this Gomateshwara statue is around 58 feet tall and is located on Vindhyagiri hill, as you see. It's world's largest monolithic statue. It is famous for that. You can see the full statue here, which is around 58 feet tall. So this is the view from the top of the hill where we have the Gomateshwara statue. You can see all the green around. You can see the Kalyani, and there is a Vindhyagiri where we have more inscriptions. So you can see all these sculptures around the Bahubali statue. It's worth visiting at least once to know the Jain heritage. and see the Bahubali statue, monolithic statue. Large number of inscriptions are found on Chandragiri Hill, which is opposite to the Vindhyagiri Hill. So these inscriptions are written in Purvahala Kannada, that is ancient Kannada, and also in Hadai Kannada, which is the old Kannada. You will enjoy the climbing hill and playing around, especially kids will enjoy a lot. So all these inscriptions mention the rise and growth of Western Ganga dynasty, the Rashtrakutas, the Hoysala Empire, the Vijayanagara Empire, and the Vadiya dynasty of Mysore. So do visit, keep the place clean. Hope this video was informative and we got to know some history of Shravana Belakula. Thanks for watching, friends.